right, here we go. How fast can you change the roll? And there we go. How fast can you change the roll? That's it. This is our Allied Brass Rollerless toilet paper holder. We're so proud of this product because we think it revolutionizes the way that you change your roll. It stops family arguments. It prevents empty rolls from laying all over the place. It's just a great product. So the way it works is you just lift it up into place, you let go, and there it stays. And when you're done, you take it out, and you need a new one, you lift it into place, and that's that. So the Rollerless toilet paper holder from Allied Brass. Hopefully it's a product that you can fall in love with just like I did. It's a wonderful thing. And another thing that it does, it solves the problem of whether the paper hangs from the top or whether the paper comes from the bottom. Because I'm going to demonstrate. This is the only thing about this product that doesn't work well. If you have the paper from the bottom and you try to pop it out, that's what it goes. So, needs to be placed with the paper coming from the top. So if you have that problem going on in your house, this solves that problem too. It's a problem-solving toilet paper holder. Allied Brass, Rollerless TP holder.